In the market for a 2010 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.